Hey God, hold on, I'm recording, right? I'm pretty sure that I am. Guys, let me just check. I am so sorry. This is embarrassing for everyone. Okay. So guys, what's going on? It's your boy Colt here with a brand new game. Boring stuff. More boring stuff. Yeah. What? Oh, guys, I'm gonna be able to use the blur tool here because I don't really want to actually know. I am 5 seconds old. Play. Okay, so guys, this is a brand new series on how should I state this? A weird game. There's battles in it. There's cats in it. But best of all, there are doges. Doge. That's right. I don't have to do. I can do actual sound effects now. I don't want to have to edit though. So right now I'm really like the only use of upgrading this will be to make it easier for me to always be able to buy one of these. I just want it to be so that way I can infinitely do this. Yes. Let's I shall get the profit. Yes. I really don't want to do very much editing. I'm like, what time is it? Yeah. So yeah, it's a bit late. My mom's actually about to get home. I did a pointless recording earlier today. I tried to do Minecraft, my recording capture software kind of screwed itself. Basically, it just froze up on the spot. 888. That's the evil number now, not 666. I need money though. I need cat. I need cat. Guys, we need to get research upgraded as soon as freaking possible. Oh, that's right. If you are new to the game, then this is a game called Paddle Cat. Meow, meow. I'm a cat. Meow, meow. I'm a cat. And we fight doges. Goodbye. Oh, and then there's this guy who. No attacking. The treasure menu's been unlocked. I don't know. I got money. I got 3-0 money. Ooh, a rare ticket. What does that do? I mean, like, I know what it does. Huh? Oh. Okay. You picked up a rare ticket. Nice. So, now what? Go to Japan stage and then we will get one of these cats. I'm kidding. You won't get startup. No. You guys have to, like, help me make money, guys. Like, share this stuff. Like, guys, help me make some cash. Because I need some. Ooh, a tank cat. Tank cats are really nice, but ever so slightly expensive. What? You didn't know that? Well, if you didn't realize that, a tank. Go, Pogo Cat. Basically. 5 years of the Battle Cats new spin-off game, Pogo Cats Big Adventure. Basically, you can get some nice rewards in it for battle cats, which I guess can be nice. Oh, guys, now let's destroy everyone. Huh? I had nothing? Huh? I'm a noob? Huh? I got rid of this game just for a dumb YouTube video? Huh? I'm using an emulator and not on my actual tablet? Huh? How long is the video? Okay, only 5 minutes. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put out these two guys. They're going to take Tank's hits for me while Tank Cat, I'm pretty, he has an area of effect. I mean, he has, oh yeah. Excuse me. That's what happens when cats burp. No, Tank Cat needs to go out first. That way Tank Cat can protect my normal cats. You know? Like, look. I think, Tank Cat has ever so slightly better range. The Tank Cat will be protects my normal cat. So basically, meat shields. Yum yum. That's what makes things. But guys, look, I don't even think I've lost a single cat since I released my first tank. But thanks are coming. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys. Both of these characters are very easily stackable, and Tank Cat is weak, but very tanky. Normal Cat is stronger than Tank Cat, but very non-tanky. It's like a glass mid-bin cannon. That's what he is. Oh, what am I doing? Jam into the music. And so now what we can do is we can make my little kitty cat stronger. Ah, dang. And I could upgrade charge and stuff. I think that's all I can actually upgrade. Yes, it is. Don't upgrade your charge, guys. Not yet. Your bird is saving up. Ugh. Okay. Your treasures are random if you keep them or not. So they're a bit annoying. Also we have, yeah, okay. Zooming out is sort of working on my mouse pad. Tank Cat, I choose you. Ooh. Oh my word, I really hope that this audio sounds good or okay in some way. Can you guys please help me? I need to know like how I can add on an intro with my recording equipment, which I will show you in the end. I know how to add on an outro, just not. Oh right, it's in the thing. That's right. Oh my word! Wow, I'm really a noob. I just can't like make me like a custom intro. I can make an intro. Guys. And so that's really the main thing that matters. So you might see an intro on this video. Who knows? I really don't, because I do my editing after I record the video. So, like for example, if like a cat says something in this, or like a dog goes woof, then I don't know. Or like if this base has infinity health, I have no clue. Because, like, I made this harder on myself now, of course. But I'm just giving some examples of what I can most likely do. Yeah, God, that was scary. The audio stopped for a second. I'm going there. 5 years later. I still don't know how to get that clip from SpongeBob stuff. I don't know how to get those SpongeBob clips. I need them though. The 5 years later. And new kitty cat. Axe cat. I would rather upgrade tank cat though. Axe cat just like save your XP, man. I think it's like 1 or 2 rounds that you have to go without Axe cat. I think, and you get somebody way better. He's basically like the ripoff, just the ripoff's better. You know? It's like Asus ripping off Acer, but Asus is better. Take that, Asus people. I mean, Acer people. Tank cat. I need to stall. We must stall. We must stall. Lol. We must stall. We must stall. We showed him a doll. You can stall like a mall. Who likes my balls? Oh my lord, wow. This is really embarrassing. Please tell me that I did a voiceover for this. Like, please don't listen, this was very embarrassing. Okay, yeah, guys, I cannot do voiceovers. Oh my word. I was talking to you guys. Oh shoot. This is extra challenge mode, guys. This is extra challenge mode. Guys, sometimes my laptop, I'm like to pretend. Oh my god. That, this lower part of the screen right here doesn't even exist. So, extra challenging mode, I guess. Because Battle Cats isn't challenging enough. It is. So, how are you guys doing? I guess. I really don't know how to do good commentary or really how to be a good YouTuber at all. Can you please help me, guys? Like, I know that I ask this of you guys in every single video, but I'm a noob, and guys, if you could like give this to like a YouTuber friend or of yours or something and like help me out or something. I don't care how, yeah. You can go to the moon. Please help. Please. I know I lost a subscriber. If it was Devon, good. He doesn't need to be a part of us. I still don't have a very good name for us, like, you know, like, I don't know know what to call my subscribers. Like, I honestly have no clue what I can tell you guys. So, sorry. I just took a sip of my drink. Wait. Is this music copyright? Please tell me that this is not copywritten music, and I'll find out. So basically, guys, I would cut this, but I don't really feel like it. I'm too lazy, actually. I'm not too lazy to constantly checking. Okay, yeah, my favorite. So yeah, guys, I'll just cut to win the base. Okay, guys, it turns out that it was destroyed very soon after. So yeah. Ah, dang it. Still, better than Ninja Cat. So basically, guys, Tank Cat, it should be your main priority. But for me, currently, what I want to do is, the wallet would be really nice. Efficiency would also be amazing. And next up is research stuff. There's one of my pop-ups that I get all the time. Oh, guys, everything's fixed right here. Like, look. Huh? What does this say? Ah, cool. What? I can have fun. What? What? Are you saying that I can't have fun? Come on, man. Come on. It's probably that one aardvark that's saying that I can't have any fun. Bang, bang, bang. Boom! I hate those guys. Those guys are so annoying. That's their name. Those guys. No, I'm serious. Oh god. So guys, basically, what an editor has to do is, since my editor is, I actually experience it making the video. Then editing the video, I have to watch the whole thing again, and maybe add in something kind of fun, like maybe like an arrow comparing the two different like speed times. Like, you already have 2 hours, you only have 1 hour. 3 compared to 1? Oh my word! I am rich! I want to see how much money I can get. Guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I gave him a head start. It's basically 1 on each. 2 on you, 1. 2 on each. 3 on 1, 2 on the other. And yeah, this is boring, I know. Oh my word. How do I make a good YouTube video? Please tell me, guys. Like, what game do you want to see? As long as it doesn't cost money, I'll play it. And, I don't have a capture card, so any games on the Switch, like, any game on the Switch at all, even like Pokemon Quest on the Switch, which is free if you don't know it. Play it, it's fun. I've still never beaten it though. Getting up to mute. Never mind. Oh my word. Zooming out. Ooh, money. Something to spend money on is always fun. I like spending all my fake money. Look at him. Look at this boy. Look at him. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. I hope that like I put like a circle drawing effect around him. If I didn't, then it would look like I was here. Look, circle. Oh my word! I have to do so much editing, guys. See what I have to do, guys? I will have to watch the entire video and edit it and experience it, guys. I need to edit it. I can't afford to pay anyone, though. So, yeah. Somebody give me some tips, please. Okay, then. I'm obviously getting... I'm losing progress, guys. Our doges can't keep up. The doges can't keep up. Meow, meow. I'm a very, very long, weird cat. No, I'm not. No, I don't know how to input the picture here. No, I don't know how to like make this guy's legs just fly everywhere. No, guys, I'm not a professional editor. Guys, my dream for so long has been to be making YouTube videos, and like as many of my classmates have wanted, and people that I've met my age, a lot of us have really wanted to be YouTubers. Ah, finally. I think I can get the guy who's better than Axe. I think. Please? Pray, please? Yeah, plus I can get Gross Cat. But we have the perfect amount. Unit acquired. Yes! And that's how you unlock organize your kitty cat. You know, I think it's actually just having 6 units. Bah, bah, bah. Level 4 ninja. Guys, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my word! Is a ninja worth that much experience? And the answer, young one, is... Oh, heck yeah. I'm like, I can actually afford him right off the bat, and... Who wants to see what I did before I uninstalled the game? Oh, sweet! And we're actually going to, you know, get to Japan with this. Sweet! And guys, the best part about it is... oopsies. Oh god. So you'll see what happens next.